Today, we are going to discover an amazing connection between two plant parts, leaves above the ground and roots below the ground. Here is the exciting question. Can you guess what kind of roots a plant has just by looking at its leaf? It sounds like magic, right? But in the plant world, this is actually possible. We already know that leaves have vein patterns. This pattern is called leaf venation. Some leaves have a net-like pattern called reticulate venation. Other leaves have straight lines running side by side called parallel venation. We also know that roots can be of two main types. Some plants have one main root going deep into the soil. This is called a taproot system. Other plants have many thin roots growing together like a bunch of fibers. This is called a fibrous root system. Now comes the secret connection. Leaf venation and root systems are usually paired in a fixed way. If you know the leaf pattern, you can often predict the root system without pulling the plant out of the soil. Why is this useful? Because we should not uproot a plant just to check its roots. Uprooting can damage or kill the plant. Instead, we can observe the leaf carefully and make a smart guess about the root system. That is how a careful scientist studies nature without harming it. Let us learn the first golden rule. Plants with reticulate venation usually have a taproot. Reticulate venation means the leaf veins form a net-like design. Taproot means there is one main thick root growing downward, with smaller side roots coming out from it. Think of plants like carrot, rose, pea, mango, or neem. Their leaves show net-like veins, and their roots follow the taproot system. So when you see a leaf with a messy web of veins, you can predict that the plant has a main root growing deep below the soil. Now let us learn the second golden rule. Plants with parallel venation usually have fibrous roots. Parallel venation means the leaf veins run side by side, like straight lines or railway tracks. Fibrous roots means there is no single main root. Instead, many thin roots grow together from the base of the stem. Think of grass, wheat, and maize. Their leaves have straight parallel veins, and their roots are fibrous. So when you see a long leaf with straight lines running from base to tip, you can predict that the plant has a bunch of thin roots underground. Let us compare both rules clearly. Net-like leaf veins go with taproots. Straight-line leaf veins go with fibrous roots. Reticulate plus taproot, parallel plus fibrous. These pairs help us identify plants more easily. Of course, nature can sometimes have rare exceptions, but for most common plants we observe in school lessons, this relationship works very well. So, what did we learn today? We learned that leaf venation and root systems are connected. We learned that plants with reticulate venation usually have taproots. We learned that plants with parallel venation usually have fibrous roots. We also learned that this connection helps us study plants without digging them up or damaging them. The next time you see a plant, become a plant detective. Look at its leaf first. Are the veins net-like or are they parallel lines? That one observation can help you guess what kind of roots are hidden underground.